don't come again for this our entertainment segment. So I bet if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure do subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell where you collect get update from us. My people, not let person tell you say see wetin dey happen. E good make you see am for yourself. And today news we wan talk about this matter wey still dey go on so with Mercy Johnson. No be small thing dey happen o. You know say one Ghanaian woman come out say na she born Mercy Johnson. Another Cameroon woman come and say that she born Mercy Johnson. Like the matter just get K-leg and straight leg and bow leg. For inside the matter now, Mercy Johnson never still come out to say, see you, see wetin dey happen o, see wetin not dey happen. Nothing has been said. Why this one still dey go on? This woman pikin, this Cameroon woman pikin daughter don come out now. She just dey cry, she dey say, abeg, she wan meet her sister. Say when people help her, when she meet her sister Mercy, say she don't really miss her sister. She said she no say she na Mercy Johnson's sister. Say because all the things wey don see say Mercy Johnson dey do, she don't find herself dey do. And say she like to act, she like some characteristics wey Mercy Johnson get, she dey see her for herself. Say when people do when she meet her sister, when people try when they tell Mercy Johnson, say she wan meet her sister. That's why this girl just dey complain, they cry like say pikin wey they use plank beat. And people this one no go say I'll fit talk for my finish it good. Make una see her for myself. I beg make una watch this video.
I'm not free for Cameroon. Please, I'm begging on the general public to help me. Help me get to my elder sister. And yeah, I know Mercy Johnson is my elder sister, but nobody wants to tell me. I know she's my elder sister. I strongly believe that she's my elder sister. I find myself into acting, liking everything she does, trying to do everything she does because I feel the blood. I feel everything in her in me too. Please, I'm begging on the general public to make this video go to my elder sister. Let her locate me. I need her in my life, please. Please, Mercy Johnson. Please, if you see this video, get to me.
My people, hope una don watch this video. Wetin una think concerning this matter? This matter don dey get bow leg and e go soon get straight leg o. Anyway, I go like know una opinion concerning this matter o. Make una go like and share this video, and make una also comment wetin una think, because me as I dey see I dey see some resemblance, but mine never too judge. But until then, now this one we bring today for our entertainment news. So make una do well to like and subscribe, like and share. We'll meet again for another entertainment news. But people, make una stay safe for una do.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend.